Maharajah jungle track. It's in here. Let's see if we can see tigers and ooh, can we see over here? There's nothing over here. Nope, it's the same thing. Let's go. Let's see what's over here. Ooh, tiger, you see that? See the sign? Uh-huh. Whoa. Let's see what's in here. What is in there? See, you can see from here too. Look, yeah, see? Oh, it's up there. Come over here, come over here. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's all the way up there. Way out there. You see it? Mm-hmm. See, good thing we came over here. What did you see? What's here? What is it? Is it a bat? Hmm? What is it? Oh yeah, it's a vampire bat. You see that? It's like not moving. It's sitting there. Sitting.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining. Sitting still. The bat right here. See that? That's a really big bat. What is in here? This is a. Oh no, this is a skink. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see the skink. What is up here? What's up here? Let's go up here and see what's up here. I don't know. We'll find out. Don't know what's up here. Let's see what's up here. Whoa. There's a tiger. Go closer here. Closer here. Closer here. Let's go here. Over here. Nope, there's nothing here. You see it? There's a tiger. There's no tiger. Yeah. I don't see it. It's hiding inside over there. It's probably hiding inside over there. Uh-oh. See anything here? See anything here? There's nothing here. I don't see anything. Okay. Let's go see what's over here. Oh, look at those water buffalo. All those buffalo up there. All those buffalo up there. Look, see buffaloes? Yeah, see? Whoa, see? Real. Come over here. Where's that? Buffalo, see? Yeah, these are buffalo, Asian water buffalo. Oh, look at those duck. Geese. Yeah, And go this way. Oh, watch where you're going. What's in here? There's nothing in here. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. Keep going. Nothing.
Unless they're hiding in the back. Yeah, no,
nothing. Yeah. This is where the panda lives. That's where they eat the food, right? Kung Fu Panda. Oh, we're going inside the temple here. They have birds inside. Visitor with animal service. No food. Uh-oh. Let's see. What's in here? Let's go. Oh, what's in there? What's in there? I don't know. There's nothing in here. Let's go through this door. This way. Come on. Come here. There's a bird in here. There's a bird in here. This way, this way, this way. See? You hear that? There's birds. Whoa. Whoa. See? See? You see a bird? You're in a tunnel? Right there, see that? See, there's one up there too. See? Look, 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 look. Over there, over there, over there. See? They're crawling over there. Wow, so pretty.
Look right there.
Oh yeah, there's one right there too.
Look right there.
Yeah, I see it. That one right there, right? Oh, there's one walking this way. There's walking right behind her. Yeah, right there. Whoa. Whoa, you see that one? That's not a peacock. Okay. Uh-huh. Right. Oh. That looks like a peacock. Pretty. You see it? Look this way. It's coming this way. See, look. Whoa.
We have a guest coming through.
Oh. Hey, doggy.
Daddy, right there.
Yeah, there's a little pigeon. The colorful pigeon. See? See, look. It's a colorful pigeon right there. See? Wow, look at that. Pretty, right?
Can you test it?
Yeah, you could try. See?
Try and fly.
Oh, look, there's like animal everywhere. See, look.
Oh, Daddy.
Wow, what is that? There's a lot of bird everywhere. This one right there too. Arlo, look. This one right there. See? This one right there too. Right there. See that little pretty one? Is that pretty one right there? Wow.
I see over there.
Yeah, there's another one over here. Look at these birds. They're so pretty.
Daddy,
Yeah, there's two right there. Arlo, look over here.
Daddy.
Yeah, huh? Look at this here. Look at these two here.
And look over
Look.
here.
Look, these two crawling right there. See? It's a colorful pigeon.
Is it?
I don't know what it is.
Oh, it is fishing.
See, this one has bald hair.
Daddy.
Huh?
The bird.
Gonna switch this to and
Whoa.
whoa, you see? See how big that guy is? That guy is big. Whoa. Oh, this one right here too. See, there's a one bird right here. Uh-oh, the bird flew away.
Right there.
Yeah. All right, ready? Let's go this way.
Over there.
Go this way. This way. There's more bird this way.
That way.
I think we are done. You think there's any more thing we see? Whoa, look at that pretty flower. Look at these bamboo tree. Thank you for visiting Maharajah Jungle.